Want to know how to install the CSharp extension in Cursor AI? So installing extensions is pretty simple in Cursor AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it in just under a minute. So it's super simple and under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, what you can do is on the top, you should be seeing this navigation bar right here. Just simply click view on top. And once you're under view, you should be seeing Explorer. Just simply select that and select your extension. It should be just like this right here. And now once you're there, you can just simply type in CSharp. So here you can see CSharp coming up right here. So you can just simply select install, and once that is done, your CSharp should be installed in a while and it should open up. Now you can just simply open up your text file once everything is done, and you can create a CSharp code easily. And that's it, super simple and easy. So as you can see, it's waiting to install. You can also copy its extension ID and see its marketplace, developer links, and much more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.